What's up, YouTube? Brad here, back again, and today I have something very special for my fellow YouTube creators. Today I'm going to show you how to create copyright-free music in under 60 seconds for free. And the best part, you don't even have to have any talent. But before we get started, I need you to help me get to that 1,000 subscribers, so go ahead and mash the subscribe button right here. Come on, it's free too. Click it. All right, let's go.
Chapaladrone.
Alright guys, so the first thing we are going to do, we are going to head over to the Magix website. I will put in a link below, but that is M-A-I-X, I believe, magix.com. Go ahead and head on over there and then select the music tab, and then from there we are going to select the music maker. Go ahead and click on Music Maker and we will get this download started. Click on that, head over there, and we are going to do the try it now for free. Free! That's right, did I say free? This is completely free. Go ahead and click on that. Go to the next screen. This is the CAPTCHA screen. Do what you need to do to get through there. I always struggle with these things, so we're going to go ahead, click on all the little vehicles. Click next, and more vehicles, or whatever you need to do. Click on verify, and there indeed I am not a robot. Go ahead and click download, start download. That will start your Music Maker download. There it comes. Alright, wait for that to download, shouldn't take too long. This is just an installer, this isn't the actual program. So it's a fairly small 4.5 megabit program, or executable rather. So go ahead and open that up. And then once we open that up, it is going to go ahead and extract that, and then it's actually going to go and download the actual program. So this is going to take a little while. Go ahead and go through its steps. It'll take just a little bit. There it pops up. So go ahead and go through this. I've already got it downloaded and installed, so go ahead and pause your video here because I'm going to be jumping forward. So pause your video, go ahead and get that program installed, and then once you have it installed, go ahead and come on back here. Alright guys, I hope your installation went as easy as mine. It was pretty easy. Now we want to go and open the program, Music Maker. Select that and that will launch the program. Alright, so we are going to create a new project. Go ahead and make sure that radio is selected, and then go ahead and click on OK. Alright, you ready to start your counters? We're going to go up, we're going to select Effects, pull down that drop down, and from there we are going to select Song Maker. Go ahead and select that. Now, this will give you your 8 tracks. You have 8 available tracks. You can select 8 different instruments. I recommend not using the voice because I've had it oversample and I've gotten hit with copyright infringements on those. So I always deselect the voice and then I select the other instruments. Now we're going to select intro all the way through ortho. We want an entire song, not just part of it. So we're going to go ahead and select all those and then click on create song and go. Set your counters. Let's see how long this takes. There it is. I had like 20 seconds, so super fast. Go ahead and click apply, and that will actually bring it up. Now, I will tell you, I usually go in here and I make some adjustments. There's some volumes and stuff that I usually don't like. Sometimes there's some instruments that I don't like. So I will go in here, I will set some volumes, I will move some stuff around, I'll do all kinds of little stuff. But as it is, 60 seconds from opening the program to actually generating a completely copyright-free song. It's that quick, it's that easy, and it's all yours. You can go in there, you can adjust the track, you can do whatever you want to it because it's yours. Oh, and did I mention it's free? Yes, it's free. You can use it on Facebook, you can use it on all of your social media, YouTube, all that stuff, and not get hit with any copyright. So anyways, go through here, select all your, or adjust all your tracks, whatever you need to do. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this a little bit, and then I'll take you through how to get it out of here. Alright guys, so that is my track. I'm going to go ahead at this point, I'm going to go ahead and hit stop, and then we're going to go up to file, and I'm going to save this track. So save as project. My next one is track 9, so I'm going to go ahead and save this as track 9. You don't have to save it, but I recommend you save it. So go ahead and save it, and then we're going to go back up to file, and we are going to export it. Go over and select export. Now you have some different options here. You can save it as a WAV, an OGG, or a Windows Media. I always use Windows Media, but you're more than welcome to use WAV or OGG. But I'm going to select Windows Media Audio. And then go in here, give it a file destination and name. Mine's already in My Stuff Magic's track 9. And then click OK. Now this is going to go ahead and mix it down into one complete audio track. So that's all there is to it, guys. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, and yes, it's free. Make sure, please, I need your guys' help. Make sure you subscribe. Click on the subscribe button down below. I got to get to 1,000 just like you guys, the new YouTube requirements. So please help me out. Go ahead and click on that subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the lakeside. Take it easy.